Lesson: Data Subject Access Requests, Processes, and Challenges. Data Subject Access Requests are a critical component of contemporary data privacy and protection frameworks, enabling individuals to exercise their rights over personal data held by organizations. The process of managing DSARs involves several complexities and challenges that organizations must navigate to ensure compliance with regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation and the California Consumer Privacy Act. This lesson delves into the processes and challenges associated with DSARs, offering practical insights and tools to enhance proficiency in handling these requests. A DSAR allows individuals to inquire about the personal data that organizations hold about them, as well as the purposes for processing, the recipients of the data, and the duration of storage. To effectively manage DSARs, organizations should establish a robust process that begins with the identification and authentication of the data subject. Verification is crucial to protect against unauthorized access and potential breaches. For example, the GDPR mandates that organizations take reasonable measures to verify the identity of the data subject, especially when requests are made electronically. Once the identity is confirmed, the next step involves locating the data within the organization's systems. This can be a daunting task, particularly for organizations with complex data infrastructures or those that process large volumes of data. Implementing data mapping and inventory tools can streamline this process. Data mapping involves creating a comprehensive map of all data repositories, detailing the nature, location, and flow of personal data. This practice not only facilitates DSAR management, but also enhances overall data governance practices. A practical framework for managing DSARs includes the use of automated tools that integrate with existing data management systems. These tools can help identify, extract, and compile the requested data efficiently. For instance, privacy management software such as OneTrust or TrustArc offers functionalities that automate DSAR workflows, ensuring timely responses and reducing the risk of human error. By leveraging such tools, organizations can improve their response times and accuracy, which is crucial given the regulatory timeframes for DSAR responses. Challenges in handling DSARs often stem from the complexity of data systems and the potential for overlapping data sets. Organizations may face difficulties in distinguishing between different types of data, such as structured and unstructured data, or between personal and non-personal data. Additionally, the presence of third-party data processors adds another layer of complexity, as organizations must ensure that these processors also comply with DSAR requirements. Clear contractual agreements and regular audits of third-party processors are essential strategies to mitigate these challenges. Case studies illustrate the practical implications and challenges of DSAR management. For example, a large telecommunications company faced significant hurdles when it received a surge of DSARs following a data breach. The absence of a streamlined process led to delays and potential regulatory fines. In response, the company implemented an automated DSAR management system, which reduced processing times by 50% and enhanced compliance. Statistics highlight the growing importance and volume of DSARs. According to a report by Gartner, the number of DSARs has increased by over 80% since the implementation of GDPR in 2018. This trend underscores the necessity for organizations to invest in efficient DSAR management processes and technologies. Furthermore, a survey conducted by the International Association of Privacy Professionals found that 70% of organizations experience challenges in locating data across disparate systems, further emphasizing the need for comprehensive data mapping and inventory practices. To address the challenges associated with DSARs, organizations should adopt a proactive approach to data management. This includes regular training for staff on data protection principles and the importance of DSAR compliance. Training should cover the legal obligations, the internal processes for handling requests, and the use of any automated tools. By fostering a culture of privacy awareness, organizations can ensure that all employees are equipped to support DSAR processes effectively. Moreover, organizations should conduct regular audits and assessments of their DSAR processes to identify areas for improvement. This involves reviewing the timeliness and accuracy of responses, as well as the effectiveness of communication with data subjects. Feedback from these assessments can inform process enhancements and the adoption of new technologies. For example, organizations can explore the use of artificial intelligence to predict and manage DSAR volumes, thereby optimizing resource allocation and improving response efficiency. In conclusion, the management of data subject access requests is a complex but essential aspect of data privacy and protection. By implementing robust processes, leveraging automated tools, and fostering a culture of privacy awareness, organizations can navigate the challenges associated with DSARs and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. The integration of data mapping and inventory practices, along with regular audits and staff training, can significantly enhance an organization's ability to manage DSARs effectively. As the volume of DSARs continues to rise, organizations that adopt proactive and efficient strategies will be better positioned to protect data subject rights and maintain trust with their stakeholders.